Hello people, look at the state of our garden. It's a mess.
So what happened here? We had someone coming over yesterday to take all the tree trunks out, and as it turns out it leaves a lot of roots. This pile here is just roots, so you have to clean them all out from the garden. It's just like full of things like this everywhere. So that's what they're doing. And this lemon tree also went because we decided it brings too much shadow and it's just has made the biggest difference. Never-ending roots. This is all underneath our garden. This is where they all go. And this is all for our fireplace when we have one, or barbecues. And this is all that we've cleared up already. Looks neat. We got a new toy. Who would have thought that that's gonna be such an exciting moment when you buy a wood chipper, Fabio? So let's try it out.
Yep. This is the first steps. We just got it, unpacked it, and we have huge piles of.
We are just so
branches.
impatient.
So we are gonna try with some of these and see how it works.
It's not even that loud.
No?
I don't think so.
Not at all. Oh, the smell of orange. Did you see?
No.
It just smells like orange.
I made orange juice, maybe that's
No,
why.
no, it's this.
So exciting. Best day ever.
Best day ever. Look at this beauty.
Now let's check what's inside.
What? It didn't.
You didn't do?
No.
None of them?
No.
Oh.
Shit, I had it in the wrong way.
Oh, we are so excited here. So the first try is a fail. So try 2, we had it backwards. Which is like when it...
I guess this is why you should read the manual.
Yeah,
So we had it on the... It has basically the blades rotate in a certain way. And then it has a function to reverse the blades in case it gets stuck. So it was on that function, not to cut.
I'm surprised that it went through, not back.
Yeah.
We have to press it or what? Strange. Did they break it already?
Not doing anything.
No? So it might be a try 2 because it seemed to be not working the way we want. It's chipping something. Stuff coming out. Now it is. But I think it could be smaller. Or no?
No, this is as small as it gets, I think.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, now it is chipping. So take 3, there was another button in this that determines the size of it. So here it is. Now it's chipping the way we want it, as you can see. Cool! This is the end result. We have wood chippings with leaves, but that's fine, leaves are good. Oh, but it smells just so good. I think it's the leaves. So I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the week. Huh?
Yeah.
Sitting and chipping.